Welcome back to the CryptoWorld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and let's get straight into the video. This right here is the 6-hour Ethereum chart, and we still have this bullish divergence playing out. And for anyone that might be new to the channel, a bullish divergence basically means this short-term downtrend is losing that bearish momentum. And so, as the name suggests, we could be due for some more bullish price action, as I mentioned yesterday. And if you're looking at the 12-hour Ethereum chart, we are finally seeing all three of these indicators pointing in the bullish direction. So I'm talking about the parabolic stop and reverse indicator sitting in the green, the RSI entering a new uptrend, and we have just seen a bullish cross in the 12-hour Ethereum MACD. And in fact, this is the first bullish cross we have seen for Ethereum on this time frame ever since around the middle of last month, and that came right before a $1,000 pump in the Ethereum price. Now, technically speaking, this cannot be called an uptrend until we at least form a higher high and higher low, but that could potentially be coming soon because according to all three of these indicators, it is very likely that the price of Ethereum is entering some sort of shorter-term bullish trend that normally lasts for around 1 to 3 weeks on average. And just giving you a quick update on the daily Ethereum chart, the price of Ethereum has seen a perfect bounce from the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is the second most important Fibonacci level, and that support was coming into play at around 2,950. But if I delete our Fibonacci levels of support and bring out our Fibonacci levels of resistance from swing high to swing low, right now at the time of recording this video, the price of Ethereum is testing this 38.2% Fibonacci level of resistance, which is coming into play at around 3,140 approximately. And anything above around 3,140 to 3,150, I'll be looking at around 3.3k as our next level of resistance, which is of course the golden pocket, and above that, our next most important level of resistance would be coming into play at around 3,500. And looking at our daily price oscillators, right now the RSI is beginning to flatten out and potentially enter into a bullish reversal, but we need to see a little bit more confirmation here in the daily RSI. And over here in the daily Ethereum MACD, we are getting closer towards a bullish cross, but we have not seen the bullish cross just yet. And of course, I'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we see that signal. And over here on the 3-day Ethereum chart, honestly, nothing much has happened over the past few days. The price of Ethereum on the much larger scale is still clearly in this bullish trend, and that remains the case for as long as the price of Ethereum is above this ascending line of support coming into play at around 2.6k. And of course, we still need to keep an eye on this level of resistance, which is coming in at around 3.6k. And just giving you a quick update on the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, we are still seeing this bearish divergence play out, which once again for the beginners out there basically means this bullish trend is losing some of that bullish momentum. And this outcome we've seen over the past few days so far is pretty much exactly what we should be expecting from most bearish divergences. Basically, when an uptrend starts dwindling away into a more neutral / bearish trend. And this is also paired with the daily MACD, which saw a bearish cross just a few days ago and is currently heading to the downside. So obviously this is not just my opinion, but Ethereum versus Bitcoin is looking slightly more bearish than bullish at the moment, which basically means Ethereum is not outperforming Bitcoin, at least as of right now. Because if Ethereum versus Bitcoin trades sideways, that basically means Ethereum is doing the exact same thing as Bitcoin. But if we see a bit of a pullback for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, that just means Ethereum is slightly underperforming against Bitcoin if we're seeing just a slight pullback. And this inversely correlates to what the Bitcoin dominance is doing, which is right now holding above this level of support, coming into play at around 41.3% Bitcoin dominance. And as I've said multiple times over the past few weeks, if the Bitcoin dominance is above that level of support, then Bitcoin is looking pretty strong against the altcoins at the moment. But if we see the Bitcoin dominance break below that level of support with confirmation, then in that scenario, we could start seeing a lot more altcoins outperform Bitcoin, which currently is not happening at the time of recording this video. But of course, if anything changes, I'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as it does. And if you want to get those updates in real time ahead of anyone else, make sure to follow me over on my Twitter, and the link to my Twitter is in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. But anyway, if you found this video useful, please make sure to leave a like down below, and if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before we click off, if you want to maximize your profits in crypto, whether or not prices are going up, down, or sideways, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely for you to watch. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.